Hi YouTube, NARDIP here. This is my first unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's do it. This is midnight black version. So let me open the box. Here is SIM injector tool. And here are some welcome guides, terms and conditions. Let me put this inside. Here is our device. This looks like a black unicorn. Okay, let me put this on a side. Let's see what else we have in the box. Here is our fast charge adapter, USB-C connector, and some headphones from AKG, I think more than average. There are some extra earbuds, and here is our charging cable, USB-C. Okay, now let's go back to our phone. Let me peel this. Wow. Wow, that's amazing feeling. This phone is more beautiful than I expected. Let me peel this off too. Super clean. Let me peel this side paper. My first expressions for this phone is very beautiful. Let's turn it on. I'm going to skip the whole start sign in process. Here we go. We are in the phone. Gorgeous, great looking display. On right side there is startup button, on back dual camera setup and fingerprint sensor. On left side volume rockers and Bixby button. On the bottom USB type C charging port and speakers and audio jack. Primary map is here and the secondary map is on top, and micro SD card slot and SIM slot. Now let's see how much fingerprints it can catch, because it's super glossy, and here you can see it is highly fingerprint catcher. You can see my fingerprints all over on its back. As you can see, the side bezels are very minimal. It's are less than Galaxy S8, so you can't hit accidental hits to the sidebar. Also, it is feel bit more grippy than Galaxy S8 device. I can feel it. Here, let me show you the wallpaper of this device, which is moving like Galaxy when you unlock it. Let me show you again. Here we go. It disappears like Galaxy. Once more time. And here are some more new wallpapers for Galaxy S9. Actually, these looks like similar but basically different in color. Let me show you. This one is the blue one. Here is another one like lilac purple. And out of the box, this phone runs Android 8.0 Oreo. Basically, we are at Android 8.1 on Pixel phones, but that's all right. And out of the box there is only one pre-installed application, Facebook, and there is a Google folder for Google applications, Samsung folder for Samsung applications, and we have two Play Stores. One is from Google and another is Galaxy apps from Samsung. And let's see the camera. In cameras you can swipe left and right to change the modes. Here is Bixby Vision. Here is auto mode, live focus, which is basically a portrait mode. Here is pro mode, panorama mode, and this is much easier by swiping to change the modes than previous Galaxy phones. And here is super slow mode, and here are some other. And also in the camera settings you can record 4K video for 60 frames per second, which is incredible for a phone. Out of the box also the display resolution is set for HD. You can decrease it to HD plus and increase it to wide HD. If you are looking for a premium phone and all the features, you can go for Galaxy S9 Plus because it has all the prime features. It has audio jack, SIM card slot, micro SD slot, audio jack, USB-C, wireless charging, fingerprint scanner, and dual camera setup. The only thing this phone missing is Galaxy S Pen from Note series, but you can't go wrong with this phone. Alright guys, now let me spend a couple of days and I will be back with more videos of this phone. If you wanna see something particular with this phone, let me know in the comment section, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for you don't miss the future videos. Thank you.